Hello guys, thanks for jumping back into my channel. This is MindYourCrypto. My name is Bill and today I'm going to talk about 1inch. As you know guys, it's going on Coinbase Pro and on Coinbase right afterwards in the next few days. And right now I will start with the Fibonacci extension with some support major and resistance levels and the MACD. If you like the content, please hit the like button, subscribe, hit the bell button and share. Thank you so much already for the support. And now let's go quickly to our Fibonacci extension. This is our new target here guys, sitting at 7.48 USD. I'm expecting the price to hit this one again, and of course we reached the previously resistance, the top major resistance point at 6.27 USD, and now I'm expecting the price to go upwards for 1 inch. This is our Fibonacci extension guys, from this top to this bottom of course, and now I think we might hit this price again. Right now guys, the MACD is above the signal line, the orange line, as you can see here. Let me zoom out a bit, is above the signal line, which means we have a very good bullish scenario for the 1 inch as well. And I'm looking forward to see a better price. You can see here this big nice candle surpassed the previous resistance and now we are heading towards a new high for the 1 inch. That's it guys, our major support level which we maintained back into 25 March is sitting at 3.46 USD, and now we are just heading towards a new high, surpassing the 6.27 USD guys. Of course, right now let's go to the RSI and the CCI. You can see the CCI is way above the 100, but it is more sensitive in the price action, so therefore we need to see the RSI as well, which is not exactly above the 70, it is near breaking this 70 point and going upwards again. If we see RSI extending much from the 70 like this here guys situation, then we might see a consolidation for a little while, but right now that's not the case for the 1 inch. I think we might hit more of a price action upwards, okay, with the 1 inch. And of course we need to see relative strength index going above 70 here, and of course the CCI remaining its position and therefore moving a bit sideways, because the commodity channel index is much more sensitive to the price action. So that's it for the RSI, nothing to worry about. We don't have any overbought situation yet. We might have in the next day or so, but right now we don't have any overbought situation. We are doing fantastic and we expect the RSI to move upwards above the 70 line. Okay, so right now the Bollinger bands, as you can see here guys, in the 4-hour frame, in the 1 inch against USD, you can see here the candles here reached above the top Bollinger band line. That's why we had a minor consolidation here, nothing to worry about guys, and now we can move forward again. Okay, so for the 4-hour frame we are still sitting fantastic. We had this minor correction, we might hit upwards again, testing new highs as I told you before guys for 1 inch. These are very good news, and you can see here the buying opportunities according to the Bollinger bands. You can see here guys, if I zoom in a bit, when we extend below the bottom line of the Bollinger bands, then we have a buying opportunity here. That's why we went up here, and now we had a risk extending the Bollinger bands. That's why we had a consolidation here, and so on and so on. You can see it here guys, it goes like this. And right now we had this consolidation, we are sitting inside the Bollinger bands going upwards again. Right now guys, let's see 1 inch against Bitcoin, the 4-hour frame. As you can see here, we maintain the 50-day going beyond the 30-day and the 20-day EMA here. We are absolutely fine. Of course, the 20-day EMA someday will reach the price and the price will consolidate a bit again, but right now it is looking very good. I don't think that 1 inch won't do fantastic in the short term, of course, and you can see here the higher the distance we have between the 20-day and the price, okay, the higher the risk. That's why here we saw this consolidation. That's why the same here. The higher the distance between the 20-day EMA with the yellow line and the price, the higher the risk, guys. Okay, so that's what I want you to keep in mind and focus on. And of course, we are sitting in a very good situation right now. You can see here the angle of the 50-day and the 20-day and 30-day EMA are reaching a top. Then we might see a drop, but we are not even close right now. We saw in a bearish situation where the 50-day EMA is crossing here, like guys, is crossing the 20-day and the 30-day EMA, going above. That's when we had this price action. And then again, some sideways situation for the 50-day EMA. It was above the 20-day and the 30-day EMA, beyond the 20-day and the 30-day EMA. And right now we have a clear situation where we have this distance between the 20-day EMA and the 50-day EMA, and the EMA, 50-day EMA staying beyond. So right now we are sitting good. And of course we can see the 1 inch against Bitcoin. We have some room left to see 1 inch going upwards again after this resistance point right here, guys. Okay, so right now we are sitting good. We can see 1 inch going upwards more again, maybe reaching here, maybe reaching its previous time highs here, maybe reaching this resistance point right here. Okay, but right now we need to see it, what it will do. And the 50-day EMA, of course, it is looking good. And I liked so much here, guys, when the 30-day EMA went beyond the 20-day EMA, because this is significant. This is a bullish movement. This is a bullish cross right here. When the 30-day EMA goes beyond the 20-day EMA, this is a very bullish scenario. And right now we will consolidate a bit after a pump up. Of course, we will consolidate a bit, so letting the 20-day and 30-day and 50-day EMA reaching the price. This is very huge, guys. We have to wait till it reaches the price, but right now we are sitting in a very good scenario for 1 inch. So let's see 1 inch against Ethereum as well in the daily frame. You can see here huge room to grow, and that's why we had this huge sell pressure due to this resistance line over here, 3 times resistance line. That's why we saw this consolidation for a bit for 1 inch. Okay. Of course, after the Coinbase announcement, we saw these big bullish candles, and now we might see a further upward situation for the 1 inch. I like so much this bullish candle right here at 9th April. Okay, we are in the 4-hour frame, 4 inch against Ethereum. And right now we have room to grow and to hit the February target again. So right now the 50-day EMA is below the 20-day EMA and the 30-day EMA here, and look, this huge bullish cross. The 50-day EMA went beyond the 20-day and the 30-day EMA here. That's why we had this huge pump up. And of course we will wait till the 20-day EMA finds the price again, the 30-day EMA and the 50-day EMA. Right now I really like this bullish candle, and I think 1 inch will do good. So that's why I have this price analysis, this price action for 1 inch. This will be our MA, I think, our moving average, this line here. Okay, with the yellow line, it will be our moving average. You can see here, guys, the 20-day, 30-day and 50-day MA are continuously going upwards in the 4-hour frame, 1 inch against USD as well. And I think this will be our moving average for the next days, and we will see 1 inch going and doing some good job here. So I think this is looking good, still looking good for 1 inch, and I hope it will go even further above, guys. So if we see a drop down, which I don't think this is the case, of course, for 1 inch right now, but in the case we see a drop down, I will let you know, guys, but I really don't think this is a case for the 1 inch. I think we will move like this way, guys, hitting some resistance levels, and of course we might extend for a bit. This might be our movement average, or like this which I had before. It doesn't matter, guys, the price will move upwards, okay, for the 1 inch, hitting some new resistance levels, or going upwards, okay, and going to time highs again, to new highs. Alright, so I think guys that we will move new highs, we will see new highs for 1 inch, and of course be patient, and if you've bought at the top, don't worry guys, everything is going to be alright. Thank you so much for watching, have a fantastic day wherever you are, see you soon with more videos, bye guys.